I've got an Efco MT8200. It's a beast of a saw. Brand new, it's never cut wood. Just started up, it's been sitting on the shelf, but it's never cut any wood. You can see the bar, it's clean, there's not a wood chip on it. I'm gonna start it up for you, so bear with me here just a minute. You might see some grass. Alright, I'm going to measure the bar. I think it's a 24-inch bar. Set my camera down again here. Get what we got here. 24-inch bar. Like I say, you can see right there, there's no wood chips or nothing. Pull the bar off, perfectly clean. A nice, powerful saw. She's heavy duty now. It's not for the faint at heart, but she'll do the job.